Hey everyone, in this video we'll be doing exercise 2.1 from the NCERT textbook Maths. In this question, we have to find out the zeros of the quadratic polynomials and then verify the relationship between the zeros and the coefficients. Here we have two simple formulas. The sum of zeros equal to minus b by a and the product of zeros equal to c by a. Here b is the coefficient of the second term, a is the coefficient of the first term, and c is the third term. For an example, let us look at the first question. Over here, b is minus 2, a is 1, and c is minus 8. So without any further ado, let's start solving. First, we need to factorize it. And once we factorize x square minus 2x minus 8, we get the zeros as 4 and minus 2. So now let's verify the relationship. Here minus b by a is minus minus 2, so that's 2 by 1. And the sum of zeros is 4 minus 2. So 2 equal to 2. And next, let's do the product of zeros. So the product of zeros is 4 into minus 2, which is minus 8. And c by a is equal to minus 8 by 1. These both are equal. Similarly, let's do the next question. So once we factorize 4s square minus 4s plus 1, we get 2s minus 1 into 2s minus 1. So now, once we make them equal to 0, we get the zeros as 1 by 2, comma 1 by 2. Now let's verify the relationship. So the sum of zeros equal to 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2. So that's 1. Minus b by a equal to 4 by 4, which is 1. Next, let's do the product of zeros. Here the product is 1 by 2 into 1 by 2, which is 1 by 4. And c by a equal to 1 by 4. Hence, it's verified. Let's do the third question. 6x square minus 7x minus 3. Once we factorize it, we get 3x plus 1 into 2x minus 3. So, the zeros are 3 by 2 and minus 1 by 3. Now, let's do the sum of zeros. The sum of zeros equal to 3 by 2 minus 1 by 3, which is equal to 7 by 6. And minus b by a, that is 7 by 6. So these both are equal. Now let's do the product of zeros. So 3 by 2 into minus 1 by 3, which is equal to 3 by 6. And c by a equal to minus 3 by 6. So since those both are equal, we can say hence verified. Now for the fourth one. Once we factorize it, we get 4u into u plus 2. So we get the zeros as 0 and minus 2. Now let's do the sum of zeros. So the sum of zeros is 0 minus 2. And the product of zeros minus b by a equal to minus 8 by 4. So that's also minus 2. Now let's do product of zeros. So that's 0 into minus 2, which is equal to 0. And here there is no c term, so we can take it as 0. Hence verified. Let's do the fifth one. Here we can use an identity to factorize this. A square minus b square equal to a plus b into a minus b. So once we do that, we get t minus root 15 into t plus root 15. So the zeros are root 15 and minus root 15. So now once we do sum of zeros, we get root 15 minus root 15, which is equal to 0. And here, since there is no b term, minus b by a will also be equal to 0. Here, the product of zeros is root 15 into minus root 15, which is nothing but minus 15. And c by a equal to minus 15 by 1, which is equal to minus 15. Hence verified. Let's do the sixth one. Once we factorize it, we get 3x minus 4 into x plus 1. So the zeros are 4 by 3 and minus 1. Now once we do the sum of zeros, we get 1 by 3 and minus b by a equal to minus 1 by 3. So that's 1 by 3. The product of zeros equal to 4 by 3 into minus 1, which is equal to minus 4 by 3. And c by a equal to minus 4 by 3. Hence verified. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed and don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.